Problems, sickness, and death come from the devil. They do not come from God. Why do we experience that, Father? Because God allows it to happen. Meron siyang purpose. Bakit niya inaalaw na tayo'y magdusa? I have an analogy. When you teach a child to walk, at some point, you must let go of him. Diba? Mga nanay, tatay na nandito, naalala niyo ba yung tinuruan niyo yung anak niyo maglakad? Ano yung unang gagawin? Hahawakan pa. Diba? Kasi very weak pa yung tuhod ng bata. Kailangan pang hawakan. Pero all the time bang hahawakan? Diba? At some point, you have to let go of the child. Pero ano yung nangyari? Nadapa. Let me ask you, did you will it to happen na bibitawan kita nak para madapa ka? Tama ba yun? Ano yung purpose niyo? Ba't niyo binitawan yung bata? So that you can walk on your own. That's the purpose of suffering. To make us better than before.